On December 12, 1911, during the Delhi Darbar, King George V announced the transfer of India's capital from Calcutta to Delhi to address growing Indian resistance, especially after the 1905 Bengal partition. Delhi, with its historic significance and central location, was deemed administratively suitable. The transition was completed on February 13, 1931, when Viceroy Lord Irwin officially inaugurated New Delhi. This shift marked a significant turning point in India's colonial administration and influenced the freedom struggle. On December 12, 1996, signed the Ganga Water Sharing Treaty, also known as the Farakka Treaty, to resolve long-standing tensions over Ganges water usage and ensure equitable sharing for 30 years, effective until December 30, 2026. Signed by Indian Prime Minister H.D. Dave Gowda and Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, the treaty guaranteed a minimum water flow from the Farakka barrage to Bangladesh for agriculture, fisheries and other needs. This historic agreement reduced the water dispute and strengthened bilateral relations between the two nations. Bal Krishna Shivram Munje, born on December 12, 1872, was a freedom fighter and a key leader in the Hindu Mahasabha, serving as its president in 1927 to 1928. A mentor to RSS founder Keshav Baliram Hedgewar, Munje played a pivotal role in inspiring the organization's founding in 1925. Dedicated to the unity and upliftment of Hindu society, he passed the Hindu Mahasabha presidency to Veer Savarkar in 1937. Munje died on March 3, 1948, leaving a legacy of social and political empowerment. Born on December 12, 1950, Rajinikanth, originally named Shivaji Rao Gaikwad, rose from a humble background to become a legendary actor in Indian cinema. Born into Marathi family in Karnataka, he faced hardships early, losing his mother at 4 and working as a porter, carpenter and bus conductor due to financial struggles. His film career began in 1975 with Katha Sangam. Rajinikanth's unique style, dialogue delivery and simplicity earned him immense fan devotion, with many treating him like a deity. His inspiring journey from humble beginnings to global stardom continues to motivate millions. Born on December 12, 1981, in Punjab, Yuvraj Singh is one of Indian cricket's greatest all-rounders. He was instrumental in India's 2011 World Cup victory, scoring 362 runs at an average of over 90 and taking 15 wickets, earning him the Player of the Tournament award. Remarkably, he achieved this while secretly battling cancer, demonstrating immense courage and determination. Yuvraj's story is celebrated not only for his cricketing achievement but also for his inspiring resilience in overcoming life's toughest challenges. Maithili Sharan Gupta, a great poet of Hindi literature, passed away on December 12, 1964. Regarded as a pioneer of modern Hindi poetry, he is considered the first significant poet of Khadi Boli in Hindi literature. Known as Dadda in literary circles, Gupta's work gave Khadi Boli a new identity and prominence. His notable works such as Bharat Bharti, Saket and Jai Dharat Vad inspired patriotism during the freedom struggle. His poetry focused on patriotism, social consciousness and human values. For his literary contributions, he was honored with the title of Rashtra Kavi. Ramanand Sagar, the renowned Indian television director, passed away on December 12, 2005 in Mumbai. He is best known for creating iconic historical serials like Ramayana and Sri Krishna, which infused spirituality and culture into Indian homes. Born Chandramouli Chopra on December 29, 1917 in undivided India, he made significant contributions to literature and cinema as both a writer and director. His works beautifully showcased Indian culture, religion and traditions. In recognition of his outstanding contribution to Indian cinema and television, he was awarded the Padma Shri by the Government of India in 2000. Though he is no longer with us, his legacy endures through his timeless works. Kenya gained independence from Britain on December 12, 1963 and became a republic on December 12, 1964. Previously a part of British East Africa, Kenya was a British colony from 1901 to 1960. After independence, Jomo Kenyatta became the country's first Prime Minister. Known for its natural beauty and wildlife conservation areas, Kenya is famous for safari tourism with national parks and sanctuaries home to elephants, lions, cheetahs, giraffes, zebras, hippos, and rhinoceroses. Since independence, Kenya has made significant strides in social and economic development. December 12 is observed annually as International Universal Health Coverage Day, a campaign initiated by the United Nations in 2017. The day aims to make health services accessible and affordable for all, ensuring quality care for everyone. It focuses on improving healthcare accesses, promoting resilient health systems, and partnering with organizations like the World Health Organization. The day highlights that a country's overall development is impossible without a healthy society and that access to health services is a fundamental need for every individual.